starts with the nomination process. Advertising that process early, coupled with advertising for the election, will help with that awareness. Anything from pieces on the website to email blasts to mail notifications, things like that, just creative ways to get people engaged and focusing their attention on the election. Traditionally, applications were done via a paper form, but we're seeing an uptick in electronic nominations where candidates can easily go to a website, fill out that application, they can upload pictures, photos, resumes, things like that. And then on the admin side, admin can actually monitor those applications real time, send out reminders, can make decisions on the fly with their nomination process. I would encourage them to promote. Any way you can do that, whether it's advertising, key dates, things like that, or how the process works, educating them on that. I think it's very important to advertise that process early and often. Absolutely. We have found that a contested election gives members a choice or a say versus having maybe a nominating committee choose one candidate and then the members not feeling like they have a choice in the matter. Also, the more candidates you have, the more likely they're going to spread the word, which hopefully you'll see an uptick in your response rate. We have found in our experience that reminder emails are absolutely the best way. It's typical for members to maybe not see the email, or they're just busy people. So it's important to remind during the process. And we have found that the more reminder emails, the higher the voter participation during an election.